Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the MK2 Golf story. Back with a GTD. And today we're going to look at replacing the door handles. So here we have the full lock set, including 2 locks, boot lock, ignition barrel and keys. Today we're going to look at replacing the door handle. Quite a simple, quick job. As you may remember from last episode, the door handle on this GTD is a bit fucked. So I've got replacement. I'm going to whip this screw out, take the handle out, put this new one in. Hopefully it'll be good to go. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is remove the plastic cover which coats this. Just pop a screwdriver under it and it'll pop out, revealing this screw. Remove that screw. Should just come out like that. Here we go. Put my new handle in with the gasket on it. Make sure the gasket sits nicely around the handle, because if it doesn't, you're going to get water on the inside of your door. And then just pop the screw in. Don't forget to pop in the front screw to tighten up the handle onto the door. Again, make sure the gasket is sitting right before you do, so you don't get any water coming in. There you go, and you have one working door handle, which you can lock with your new key. Take this film off, just check it, and presto, there you go. One key, one working door handle.